Hello, welcome, I'm Tomo. So today I'm going to be building a VTER Galaxy80 from WhatGeek. The team at WhatGeek were really cool, and they were kind enough to send me a few bits to try a custom build from products that they stock on the site. I'll have all the links below, a discount code for you and all that jazz, so stay with me. So the Galaxy80's been around for a while now, loads of different versions, some pre-built models, but also the bare bones kit like I've got here today. It's a really simple kit. There's the board, there's not much in the accessory pack. It's a USB-C cable and a switch puller. That is it. Don't get me wrong, that's all you need. The keyboard itself is a great bare bones. For £45, $55, you really can't go wrong with this kit. It's got a PP positioning plate that supports the standard ANSI layout only. It's got loads of phones inside it. It comes with south-facing RGB with loads of presets. It's a full aluminium board with a simple backplate. So the switches I'm going to use today are a crossover between 80sRetros and HMX, the KD200 linear switches. Now these switches have got such a great retro feel to them. They look like an old Kodak film case inside. They're midway with an operating force of 45, bottom out force of 50, 3.5mm of travel and a single stage 22mm spring. So they use a mixture of materials, including an LY stem, P2 bottom housing, and it gives it this lovely marbly sound profile. Not too loud, not too quiet, just right. These switches are ready to go. They've got a great factory loop and there's no noticeable spring ping in them at all. They come in a variety of weights and colours and looks, so they are really versatile. I'm definitely going to be getting some more of these. Stabilisers on the board are really well lubed, and the stem wobble is negligible on these switches. Really great job from HMX as always. Now, the main event, these keycaps. As soon as I saw them on the WhatGeek site, I knew I had to have a set of these. These keycaps are the ACGAM CAD no redraw. They're a thick PBT die sub keycap and they are fantastic. The cherry profile, there's 166 keys that service both ANSI and ISO layout. These keycaps are super clean, colours are amazing, and the legends, although they're quite busy, they look so cool. I think I found my new daily driver. That, as a stock sound, is awesome. Love to know what you think of this build. Let me know in the comments below, and hopefully you like my first voiceover. Thanks again to WhatGeek for letting me do this build. I'm really impressed with it. Enough for me talking, and I'll leave you with the sound of the board.